Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw a rat. Create a medium-sized heart at the center of the page. Now join it with a semicircle above. Create a curvy tail, eyes, eyebrows and mustache. Color. Let's take a grey color to fill up its entire body and head. Did you know rats are really clean and don't like to get dirty? They are, however, colorblind and have a poor eyesight. Coloring helps you focus on one task at hand and helps you to improve concentration. Share this rat artwork with friends and family. Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.